What's up, everyone? So, right here we have the Wyze, and this is a version 3, I believe. Version 3, somewhere maybe it's written over here. Yeah, version 3 right here. So, I have one installed already, and I have gone over the trial period. I think it's of 15 days. And what I can tell you is that Wyze is absolutely phenomenal. For the price, you're not going to get anything better at all whatsoever. The reason why I say this is because of ease of use. It's so easy to just connect to your phone, uh, just download the app and scan, and you're good to go. And what I love about it is the fact that, it's so user friendly. Like you can set it in any position you like, put a screw, you can use a magnet, or you can use a double-sided tape. It's really, 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 really simple to just install and just use. What I do have is, and look at the packaging it comes in. Such a nice and well packaged material. It's got a few more stuff in there. But anyways, you gotta plug this into the outlet. I'm not sure if there's a battery system in this. Luckily, I already have a electrical plug outside, so I can just plug it in right there and then, and it works like a charm. Like honestly, it's so nice. I'm actually gonna get the $2 a month upgrade to view contents, and it saves all of that for you. You can download it, and it's just so easy to use. Again, is the Waze version 3. One thing I have to let you guys know right off the bat is that this cameras are super clear even at nighttime with just a little bit of light. Again, the speakers aren't the best, and the sound, the audio, like when you listen to it, it's all right, it's not bad, but when you're speaking, it's not going to be the most clearest sound coming out of these. And the siren is pretty cool option. I do find that I believe it's always blue light and red light when you are watching it live, or it could be the other way around. But you know what? This is so neat. I'm going to actually show you the one that I actually have installed, and you're going to see for yourself how beautiful and how simple and how easily you can install it and mount it on your home. I use it primarily for outdoors because that's what I want it for. But let me show you guys Waze, and it's cheap too. It's like 40 bucks, 50 bucks before tax. So I'm gonna show you the one I have installed. It's so easily attached. Look at that. I got a 120 volt plug outside, so that made it a hell of a lot easier for me. And I just tucked in the wires underneath, put some tape, and put a nice silicone covering on top so water doesn't get inside. Not that any water is ever here anyways. It just kind of drips around here, but look how easy it is to use and install. And I'm gonna have some video footage from here as well that you can watch and kind of take a judgment for yourself as to if this is something that you would like to get for yourself or not. What's up, everyone? So as you can see, I'm looking at the Wyze Cam app, and you can see it's a vivid picture quality. Right now it is in the evening. It's actually sunset at the moment, and you can see it's a lot more brighter on the playback, and that's because Waze Cam only needs just a little bit of light outside in order to portray a really crisp, clear video quality, and that's why I always recommend Waze Cam version 3. And when it's total dark, like I'm talking about nighttime, when it's pitch black, if you have a little bit of light, like if you have external light, or you get a phenomenal video quality. So in my situation, I do have street lights, so I don't need external lights. But nonetheless, I did install two motion sensing lights outside that improve the image quality. So if you are going to be getting this, and which you should for your home security, I would definitely recommend you get the Waze Cam version 3 because it's so cheap, frankly. 50 bucks to like 40 bucks before tax, and the image quality is superb. Right now I cannot do a video playback because I do need to upgrade, or you can have your micro SD, um, but or you can pay $1.99 per month, or annually you can pay $20. uh, but you know what, I might actually put a micro SD on my one, just because I'm always here. But if you choose to, then you can also go with the subscription. But you know what, Wyze Cam is so nice. It's like, I can't say enough good things about this. I'm totally blown away by its performance for the price, and I wouldn't recommend anything else, guys. So definitely get yourself a Wyze Cam if you're looking into security cameras and you're on a budget.